Hi, we are on the day before it's gonna be tiled up the whole floor. So there you go. That's how it's looking, the room at this stage. Just made some aesthetic touches. Put that up on the wall, it was loose. It's all ready for the tiling tomorrow. I'm gonna come here first thing in the morning at about 7, and then they are gonna get started with this. All floor clear. Here as well, with the carpet torn off. So there you go. We'll see if we get to film the whole floor getting tiled up. See you next time. We are on the second day after the contractors have come to do the floor, and this is what they've done so far. This floor was, in the end, we removed all the panel boards that were there and the sand that was underneath, and these sort of panels, arm panels with some sort of metallic net and isolation, some sort of isolation panels. They were put in the whole floor here in the hall. So with that, some height was gained, and so that's how it's looking. And it is directly on the cement floor, so it's very firm. Also, the electricity is ready. There and there you can see. Today they moved ahead and they put the gypsum panels in the kitchen floor. They are above the board panels that were before. So here there's still the floating floor with the sand underneath. But it's very firm here in this part, so it's good. Here is the electricity for the kitchen island. They will, I believe, probably move on tomorrow and go ahead to do put on the tiles, and the electrician also mentioned that they were gonna put the heating floor here in the back, in this floor there. The heating is gonna be installed tomorrow, and then covered with like the paste, the gypsum paste. So I hope some tiles get put on tomorrow, probably in this side of the floor. It's moving forward, and then we're looking forward for delivery of the kitchen on Friday, very soon. See you next time.